This conference will now be recorded.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
First one we covered that is flash fill, and second what we covered, what is the name of that shortcut or something? You are getting me question? Hello,
Yeah, yeah. So it was one was flash fill and another was relative reference.
relative reference. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So what's your question?
That is my question actually. Relative reference. I was not able to remind it.
Okay. 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 All right. Welcome, guys. I hope so. Everyone is I'm audible to everyone and there is no glitch with the sound and all. So just type ready in the chat box so that we can begin with the session. Just write ready in the chat box. Okay. All right. Vipin, Shipra, Mukul, Sayed. Okay. All right. So in the last session, what we have done, we were talking about something called relative reference. We left it over here only. I'll again give you a quick revision. So we started with Excel and all. Then we started with something called the flash fill. Over here, we have done one example. What flash fill? Basically, it takes the pattern through which we want our different functions to be done. Okay. In the next part, we should be knowing about how relative reference and absolute reference in Excel is working. So what is relative reference? Basically, when we want to calculate so many of the cells, so many of data, if I am doing equals to, that means we know that the formula is going to start with equal to. If we are typing 4 into 120, it is a correct way. We would be getting the answer. But if we are doing this in MS Excel, we have to make our file much more automative and dynamic at the same time. So that whenever we are coming after sometimes and we are changing this particular data, the source data basically, so these are called the source data. If we are changing the source data, our result should automatically be updated. Okay, so what we are doing equal to. Now I am saying to Excel that don't multiply 4 into 20. Whatever is there in cell number H7, multiply that with cell number I7 and give me the result over here. So when I'm doing this, Excel is giving me the answer. Now I have to get the answers in all these cells. Yeah. So I have to get the answers in all these cells. How I'm going to do? I'm not going to calculate it individually right now. That is H8 into I8 and so on. We have two, three different methods, so we will try those things. The first method is that we can see right now I am getting the ambulance symbol in my mouse, the ambulance symbol. But if I take my cursor in the particular cell where I have given the formula, okay, and I'll take it on the right hand side, the corner part, you can see the cursor is changing. Can everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will just do a left click over here and we will drag it down. When we drag it down, so basically what happens, it paste, it copies the formula from here and it pastes the formula. But what happens when the row is coming down from here to here? From this particular part, the row is coming down from here, then here. So basically, what is changing? Row is changing or column is changing? Tell me. Rows are changing over here or columns are changing?
Sir, rows are changing.
Rows are changing.
Rows,
Rows are
rows
changing.
are changing.
So rows are changing, correct. So when I'm going one step down over here, basically here it was H7, I7, here it is getting H8, I8, and therefore the column is fixed over here, the rows are changing over here. This is how we are getting the revenue portion. Till here, everyone is clear?
Yeah, Mukesh.
Okay, all right. So let's start with today's session, okay? So I would be taking someone. Who is the most richest person over here? Saurav.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, so I'm taking Saurav as the most richest person over here. And we will assume that right now Saurav has 2 CR under his bed. He
Hmm.
is sleeping like in 2 CR right now. Now, when someone is going to Saurav and what Saurav wants to know that Saurav wants to invest this money, but let's assume that he do not have any knowledge in the investing world, maybe stock market or any other thing. So what basically he will do? He had two options. The one is the mother's and father's favorite thing. Can you tell me?
Um,
The
Maybe
favorite
land,
investment of
house,
mother and fathers.
FD
gold,
fixed
Gold
deposit.
gold
and
jewelry, land, house, like that.
Fixed deposit. The
Fixed.
most and the safest. Okay. So it's
Uh,
basically मम्मी पापा का सबसे प्यारा चीज. Okay.
yeah.
So not even our mother and parents also, but our grandparents definitely fixed deposit. Or else the better option if you want that you want a fixed income and you want your money also to grow, you can buy a home and put it on rent.
Hmm.
Okay. So assuming that you haven't done fixed deposit, but you have taken number of homes, these are your homes right now. So B5, B6, and so on. You have buy this particular home and you have given the flats or the particular rooms to these tenants, to
Okay.
these tenants. So can you like call out these names very fast?
Yeah, Brajanlal, Ujala, Shankar, Rangu, Indra, Sujan, Tarak, Indra, Ajit Saha. Yeah.
Okay. So in all these names, one name is particularly there, like we have heard this particular name ever, and it reminded us of something else.
Tarak Mehta का उल्टा चश्मा.
Tarak Mehta. Okay, how many of you have reminded about like what remindation about the Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma? Only Saurav? You can unmute yourself and say, guys.
No, I can also.
Okay, you are Sayed.
No,
Okay,
Saroj,
all right.
Saroj.
Only two. Saroj, Saroj. Okay,
It's
all
me
right.
सही है तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा.
I'm also there, sir.
Okay, so there are many people who like getting this name Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma. Now the fun fact over here is, so these are the people to whom Saurav has given the flat on rent. These are his tenants, and he's collecting these rents amount. Now what happens? Nowadays it has been done in the commercial property. If you are renting a property, you also have to collect the GST. What is the full form of GST, guys?
Goods and service
Global
tax.
Good and Service Tax.
Good and service tax.
Good and service tax. This is wrong. Goods and service tax. This is also wrong.
Goods and services. है ना?
Goods and services tax. Correct. Goods and services tax. Because there are many other services. Now I want to calculate the GST amount on this 411 in this particular cell. So Saurav, how I am going to do this? Tell me.
Yeah, it's like you can just put equals and
Equals.
come to E27 like a left into
Okay.
asterisk
Into.
mark and
Okay.
go to this cell I25
Correct. Absolutely correct. And then.
and also press you need to fix that no so press F4 once you need to fix
Okay.
the cell.
Fix this cell. Okay. Now say for example, Saurav is not aware about a Feminix cell. So what he would have done, he would have just done enter.
Hmm.
Okay, and now he's getting the correct answer, that is 411 into 18% is 73.98. So what is the next step that we have to do, Saroj? What is the next step to get all answers in all these cells?
Yeah, you can move your cursor just below 73.98 to below that corner, and we can cross it down, drag it
Okay,
down.
so 411 into 18 is 73, 0 into 18 is 0, we know. 250 into 18% is 0. 250 into 18% is 0. Is it possible,
We need
Saroj?
to freeze the GST column first, which is I-25, bro.
Yes, your name, please. Someone was speaking your name, please.
It's Rahul.
Rahul. Rahul
We need to
Shampi.
freeze the column first and then we need it out.
Okay, all right. So basically, what is happening, Saroj, over here? I know you are getting confused, and for many other people also, why there is a zero. Basically, what we were doing over here, understand this, we were multiplying this cell into this cell. We then from here we was coming down over here. Then we were multiplying this cell into this cell. What is this reference, guys? We have done this. Tell me the name.
You have done relative
Relative
reference,
reference.
and it is absolute reference.
Relative reference. So basically, what we want over here, we want this particular cell to multiplied by this cell over here. This cell should be also multiplied by this cell only. If we are not applying anything, by default, every time MS Excel will take as a relative reference. So how we will apply this absolute reference? Saurabh, you can again help
We have
me.
to fix it.
Equals to
Yeah, sure. So again, go
E27
left, asterisk into 8. Yeah, and press F4. I think
F4. Okay,
both sides the dollar should come. Then it will be fixed.
the dollar should come. So everyone, till here, everyone do with me. Raka, are you there?
Uh,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I have
I
a
am here.
Yes, someone was saying something.
yeah, sir. Datta from this side. So I am not able to understand like how you are going for the E7 or something.
Okay,
I-25
you are
or something
Syed.
like. No, I am Datta.
You are Datta. Okay, do with me. Okay, do with me. Raka, Datta, and Saurabh is there. Okay, equals to, put over here equals to, everyone with me. Okay, Datta,
Sir.
are you there, Datta?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we have to do? We have to multiply 411 into 18%. So, in which cell number is there 411 is there? In which cell number?
27.
What 27? Raka, tell me the cell number.
Which one? Which one? Can you please repeat the question once?
411.
Cell number is E27.
Correct. E27. Then E27 should be multiplied with which cell number?
With I-25.
I-25. Till here,
And
Datta, just see, are you clear? We are
I
coming.
thought
Wait,
this.
No, sir.
wait.
Actually, I'm just understanding like how you can go for the IE and I. I'm not able to
With
understand that.
your arrows, with your arrow buttons.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, I can get it now.
Okay. Now what we have to do, if you see your keyboard, in the letter 4, above the letter 4, you would be getting one dollar symbol. So the one way of getting a dollar symbol is with shift and 4. Or what we have to do, we have to click Fn plus F4. Just see, Raka, what you are getting with Fn plus F4.
I'm getting 73.98 in the
No, no.
cell
What
F.
is the formula that you are getting?
Okay, just a moment. The formula is E27 into $I $25.
Okay. So anything with any column or any row, if we are giving a dollar symbol before it,
Hmm.
that means the particular column or the particular row is fixed. Now tell me, Raka,
Hmm.
which one is fixed? Column is fixed or row is fixed or both is fixed?
Here both are fixed.
Now,
Just a moment. Now only the cell is fixed. I mean
no.
the row is fixed. Sorry, the row
Okay.
is fixed.
Now,
Hmm. Now the column is fixed.
now,
None are fixed. None
and
is
now.
fixed. Both are fixed.
That means here is this is free and this is fixed over here. We click on enter. Now we will just left click over here and drag it down. Just see everyone, are you guys getting the answer or not? And then I'll explain you what
No,
is
sir.
this.
Sir, it's
Who is not
here.
getting or
Dollar sign is not coming, sir. After pressing
your answer is
F4.
not come. Okay, can you share your
Actually,
screen?
dollar single. How can I share my screen? I don't know, sir. Let me see.
Okay, I'll give
So
you the
I
access.
think,
Wait.
It was
yeah,
the
it
option
is
was
not
not there, sir.
allowed.
I'll give you, wait. So, okay, share your screen fast. Guys, please take the pace. Please take the pace. Yes. Make your screen big.
Look at this, this one. When I was
Yes, make your
pressing
screen.
F4
Yes.
and the single dollar sign is coming only. But at the back,
You click it once again.
once again,
Why you have given bracket over there? Delete everything. Delete everything. Type equals. Yes. Don't use your mouse. Use your keyboard. E27 into yes. And now click on Fn plus F4.
F F8.
Fn, that is a function key. Fn plus F4. Why you are getting a single dollar over here?
I'm getting single dollar only.
Are you using shift and dollar?
No,
Shift
sir,
and 4.
only Fn plus F4.
Are you
If I am
using
pressing Fn plus
F4?
4, if I am pressing
Yes, click
Shift
Fn
and
plus
F4,
F4.
then only 4 is displaying.
Only
And
click F4
if I am
then.
pressing a Shift plus,
You are clicking the digit 4.
no, sir. Look at this.
Sorry to interrupt. I have an
If
idea,
I'm
Mukesh. Can you
Yes.
open on-screen keyboard over there? We can
oh,
see if we
now it's working, sir. I don't know why it was not working,
working. Okay,
but it's
nice.
working.
It will
Look
work.
at this,
What
sir.
you were doing, you were again and again clicking the digit 4 only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you repeat the concept of this dollar sign?
What's your name?
Sir Mukul.
Mugul, share your screen first.
Okay. Yeah, I got the answer, but what is the concept behind the using a dollar sign?
share your screen, not your camera. See, if you are not using the dollar sign, okay, you would not be getting the correct answer. Let me share my screen. And I would be going really fast, guys, so you have to cope up now. You have to cope up. I'm sharing my screen. Can everybody see my screen right now?
Yeah, it is
Yes, sir.
visible.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if we are not using the dollar sign, if I'm doing equal to E27 into I25 and enter, and I'm dragging it down, okay, I would be getting the answer 0. Why I'm getting 0? Because what Excel is doing when we were multiplying this cell, okay, let me make color. So we are multiplying with this cell. Till here, everyone is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, when we are
Yes.
going and dragging from here to here, that means this cell, we want the answer in this cell. What we are asking Excel, multiply this cell and multiply this cell by default. Why? Because Excel is taking it as a relative
Yeah.
reference. If I put 18% over here, I would be getting 0. Why 0? Because there is no rent. But if I am putting 18% over here, okay, see here I am getting 45. Can you see that, everyone? So
Yeah.
what I have to do, I have to multiply this cell into this cell, this cell into this cell into this cell only. So that is why we have to use something called a dollar symbol to fix this particular cell, and by default Excel will not take it as relative reference. Equal to E27 and Fn plus F4 and enter. And then we can drag it down. Just see everyone, till here everyone is clear.
Mukesh, I have a doubt. Shipra this side.
Yes, tell me.
Mukesh, actually, I tried this from my end and I had only freezed this 25th row and still I'm getting the same answers.
No, you would be getting a wrong answer. If you are going down, you would be getting a correct answer right now. But say for example, if you are using a relative reference on the right hand side, okay, with few datas,
Yeah.
then you would be getting a wrong answer. You have to fix the row and the column together anyhow. So what you are doing over here, you are doing equal to this cell into, and you are fixing what? Only the,
Yeah, 25 this row. Yeah, exactly.
only this one,
Yeah,
and enter,
yeah,
and you are getting the correct answer. Okay.
yeah.
Now, say for example, here our data is what? You have fixed this row. That means if I drag some data, if I have a data something of like this 411, 0, or let's take it 250, or let's take it 570, something like this. And I want the GST over here. So what I will do equal to this into this, and I would be fixing what? If I am doing applying this, what you are doing, okay? That is
Okay.
column is not fixed and the row is fixed, and enter. In the first cell, I would be getting the correct answer, but if I drag it, I would be getting a 0. Why? Because first cell Excel is taking this, second is this, and the third is this. I hope so you are getting this.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, I hope so everyone you are getting clarity about what is relative reference and absolute reference. Guys, please practice. I have told you, please practice like once or twice, then only you will get the hangover of it. Or else you are not going to get the hangover of relative and reference, absolute reference. And if you are making mistake in this, everything is gone in MS Excel. You cannot do anything. Moving forward, go with the next sheet of tables and utility. Go with the next sheets of tables and utility, everyone.
Yeah, Syed here.
Yes, Sayed.
Sir, actually relative reference and absolute reference, and if we want to mix that, called mixed reference, no sir, from column A to column B and column C to column A, like that,
So what
column
is
or
happening over
row, sir.
here? What is happening over here? When we were seeing the earlier versions, we used to have something called relative reference, okay? We used to have absolute
Absolute reference
reference, and
and
then
mixed
we used to have mixed reference. Okay. With this example, nowadays there is no mixed reference, or you can say absolute reference. Nowadays it is used as a mixed reference only.
okay, sir.
Nowadays it is used as a mixed reference only. And we are learning in a corporate style. Remember this, guys,
Yeah,
we are learning in a corporate style. We are not going with the classroom training. If you want a classroom training, I will come teach. I won't ask you anything and I'll go. Okay. So give me few
okay,
times.
sir.
These are just the basic things. Let me complete
Okay,
everything. Then you have a question, you ask me.
okay, okay.
Okay. Moving to the next sheet. Moving to the next sheet. Everyone is ready with the next sheet?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to take someone. I'll take Shiprat and Tanish. Are you there? Shipra and Tani, are you there?
Yes, Mukesh.
Tanish. Okay. All right. So let's come to this sheet, that is tables and utility. We were talking, you remember, we were talking about what are tables and why do we need tables in MS Excel. You remember? I guess you guys must have written about it. Why do we need tables in MS Excel? Have anybody taken a screenshot of different options?
Sir,
Anyone?
about table, sir.
About the tables, that the list that we have written.
Sir, I have taken screenshot of that.
Okay, all right. So now, everyone, what you have to do, just delete this particular column. Delete this particular revenue column. So, Shipra, how you are going to delete this column? Tell me.
We can select the whole column and
Okay.
press Control minus.
Control minus, absolutely right. So we are going to use shortcut, guys, every time. Control minus over here. Okay. And with the help of control plus, we can insert a column. That means if I want a column between F and G, I can use control plus, control, that is plus symbol, and control minus, it will delete the particular column. If I want to delete the row, Shipra, then the same thing?
Yeah, Mukesh, I was
Yes or no?
unable to.
Okay. So say for example, if we want to delete the column, we can just select this particular column. So these are called column headings. A, B, C, Ds are column headings. 1, 2, 3, 4 are row heading. If I want to delete the whole column, I will use control minus. I have to select the column first. If I want to delete the row, I have to select the particular row and do control minus. In the same way, if you want to add a new particular column, control plus and control plus in the rows also. Till here, everyone is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So everyone go to cell number A1 right now. Cell number A1. Okay.
yeah,
Ready,
A0.
everyone? Shipra and Tanish, are you ready with me?
Yes, Mukesh.
Okay. So
Yes,
what
Mukesh.
we have to do, we have to copy the whole data, this whole data over here, and we have to bring it in a new sheet. We have to add a new sheet over here and we have to bring the data. Let's do it, guys, fast. Let's copy the whole data first. How you guys are doing this?
I think Control A.
Control A. Okay. So let me tell you what is the problem with Control A. We cannot use Control A over here. And why? See, say for example, here I am writing one data, Mukesh, trip I am writing, and I am writing some expense like train tickets, say for example 10,000, say for example food 5,000, and say for example some expense almost around 4,000 rupees. Okay. Now I am doing this particular just calculation randomly. This is my office laptop and file, and my boss is asking me that you have to copy this particular file, this particular data. If you are doing control A, just see what is happening over here, guys. Can you see this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Mukesh.
sir.
Yeah.
What is happening, Shipra?
The whole sheet is selected.
The whole sheet is selected. Now one thing more. Say for example, here we have more than 54,000 data, as you guys can see. Just say for example, in a middle, there is a blank row. Then what will happen? So we are assuming that control A will help us to select the data. If I'm doing control A, just see it is selecting the whole data. But if there is a blank row in between, it will select the data till there only. Just see this. I'm doing this as a blank and control A. Let me make it range and control A. Can you see this? So we would be assuming that our whole data is selected, but this is not happening. So there is a better way to do that. What is a better way to do that? First, we will just copy the whole file, the whole data. And now you can see this one thing. If I am selecting this with a mouse, okay, right now what is the time?
9-3.
9:03. So we will see in 1 minute or two, when it is going to be 9:04, in 1 minute, how many rows are selected over here. Okay, we will check this. Oh, 9:03. We'll wait till 9:04. So just tell me when it is 9:05. I will stop and we'll see how many rows are selected in 1 minute. So it's 9:04. Just stop me when it is 9:05. Is it going fast or slow, guys?
Slow, sir.
So slow, sir.
It's slow.
There is another option, sir, to select every cell and row.
Mhm. So 10,000 rows are selected, and right now it is 9:05. Let's take it 11,000 rows, okay, in 1 minute. Let's take a calculator over here. We have almost around 55,000 rows. So divided by 11,000, we will take it. It will take us 5 minutes to select the whole data. So I'm giving you option, okay? 5 minutes in Excel, 5 minutes in Netflix, 5 minutes with boyfriend or girlfriend. Okay. So let me ask one by one. Let's see what answers we are getting. Ashwini, which option you are going to choose? Excel, Netflix, boyfriend or girlfriend?
Which Ashwini are you talking
Okay, both the Ashwinis you can go.
to? I'll choose Netflix.
You'll choose Netflix. Okay.
I'm married, so I'll definitely choose Netflix.
Okay. Okay, all right. So I here the option is 5 minutes with girlfriend, boyfriend, and husband and wife also. Okay, for your convenience, guys. So Ashwini is going with Netflix. Ayush, what about you? Ayush, Rahul, Raka, Saurav,
Netflix.
definitely. Shipra, Netflix, okay.
Netflix.
Uh, yes, go ahead.
Um, I actually don't watch Netflix that much, and boyfriend girlfriend, so I'll have to search. So,
So you have to spend time with Excel only.
that I don't want to.
Okay, so you are choosing no options.
Yeah.
Okay, what about others, guys? Anyone who is going to select boyfriend or girlfriend? Anyone
No,
Oh
who
yeah,
wants to select?
yeah.
Netflix.
I want to go
Netflix.
with that option.
You want to go
Go with the third option.
the third option. Okay,
Oh.
all right. Okay, so he's a good person. He's giving time. So basically, if everyone is getting an option, okay, if we have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, then definitely 5 minute Netflix is nothing. We would choose the third option only. If we don't have anyone, then Netflix, or else last option we have to go with Excel. But the same thing can be done within few seconds. Just see. So Shipra, can you count like 1, 2, 3, 4 for me? Shipra or Ashwini, anyone?
Yeah, Mukesh.
Yeah, you can start.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Done, done,
10.
done. This how the time doesn't fly. Like the way you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it takes seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay. So it's almost around like if I say according to Ashwini, it was Ashwini or Shipra?
Chipra this side.
Who was Shipra? So according to Shipra, we are taking almost around 6 to 7 seconds, okay, to select the whole data. So definitely if we know the trick, definitely we can save a lot of time. How to do that? So we will everyone go to cell number A1 right now. Cell number A1. Ashwini, are you there with me? Ashwini, the married one. You can
Yes.
unmute yourself, please.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So go to cell number A1. You are using
Yeah.
Windows laptop or a Mac?
Windows.
Windows. Okay. Now
Yeah.
everyone just think you have two hands, everyone have two hands, and the placing of the fingers are really important when we are using Excel or when we are working in the particular office. Okay. If you are having a number pad keypad, okay, number keypad, so your last finger, the little finger, should always be there in Excel, the enter button. Your little finger should always be there in the enter button. The left hand, the little finger, it should be in control. Okay. So Ashwini, can we move ahead?
Yes.
So your left hand little finger is in control button. Click control button and click arrow right button. You are in which address of a particular cell? Which cell are you there?
H1.
H1. Again click on control arrow right. Are you in XFD1?
Yes.
Control arrow down. Are you in XFD104857?
Yes.
Control arrow left. Are you in A1048576?
Yes.
Control arrow up. Are you in A54726 or 25?
Yes. 726. Yeah.
And control arrow up again. Are you in cell number A1?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is happening with control? Control helps us to navigate to the last active cell. How? Let's see again. In J1, Ashwini and everyone, you can go and write your favorite actress name. Okay. So if I'm going to write, I'm going to write Alia Bhatt over here. Okay. Go to A1, Ashwini.
Yes.
Click on control arrow right. Tell me where you are right now.
H1.
And again control right. Where are you right now?
J1.
J1. So earlier from H1 we were going to XFD1, but right now we are going to J1 over there. So everyone is getting
Yeah.
what is control. Control helps us to navigate to the last active cell. Now again go to A1, Ashwini.
Yes.
Your left hand, the last finger is on the control button. Your fourth finger, that
Mm-hmm.
is the ring finger for women, that should be in the shift button.
Okay.
That should be in the shift button. Okay. So shift arrow right. Is it selecting the whole data
Control Shift
on the
arrow
right?
right. Yes.
Not control
Yeah.
shift, only shift.
Just the
Shift is
second
selecting
cell.
the data. Yes, the
Yeah.
second one. If you are clicking right, 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 it is selecting the data on the right side.
Yes.
Control arrow down. Is it selecting the data downwards?
Yes.
So shift helps us to select the data.
Okay.
Okay. Now what we will do, we'll go to cell number A1. Ashwini, go to cell number A1 with me.
Yes.
Click on control with your left hand, the smallest finger.
Mm-hmm.
Again, click on shift, that is control plus shift,
Yes.
and arrow right only once. Is it selecting the whole row?
Yeah. Till H1.
See, in your address also it would have written 1 row and 8 column.
8 column. Yeah.
And don't leave that. Now click control arrow down. Is it selecting the whole data?
Yes.
Try it once, everyone. So go to cell number A1, control arrow right, arrow down. Control arrow right, arrow down. Just see how much time you guys are taking. And just let me know in the chat box right now how much second you guys are taking.
Mukesh,
2 seconds. Yes. Okay. Yes. Tell me.
no, no, no. I have a question actually. When I'm pressing Control and arrow right, then it is going to the last active cell.
Yes.
So
Correct.
the whole row is not being selected.
Because what you have to do, guys, tell her.
Control
Control
plus shift
Shift
plus
Uh,
Yes. Control plus shift plus arrow right. Because
Okay.
what control is just navigating to the last cell from here to here. So what we are applying, that control and shift. Shift will select the data and select the data till the last active cell. This we are applying over here. This is the concept. I hope so everyone is
Okay.
getting this. Now,
Okay.
in this data, in this whole data, the table has been made. Okay, the table is there. But how we are getting to know that the table is there or not? Anybody knows how do we know that the table is there or not?
Sorry, Mukesh, I didn't get your question. Saurabh here.
The question is, in this data, the
Hmm.
table has been made.
Hmm.
Now I want to check. So if I'm sending it to you, you want to check whether the table is made or not. How we can check that?
Um,
I'll
By
give you a
looking at it.
disclaimer, everyone. This arrow buttons are not going to tell you that this is table or not. So
no,
one option is
see,
gone.
see, one thing is there's alternate colors, right? That is one
No,
sign of table. But there is one tab also which comes. I'm not remembering that.
we are
One
going
more
in the
new
correct
tab.
way.
Yeah, but one tab gets added actually with this.
Okay, so say for example, you have a wallet in your Almira. You are going inside your Almira, inside your room, you won't get your wallet. You have to go inside the Almira, then only you will get the wallet. Now tell me how we will get that tab option.
Mm,
I'm giving you the hint, your wallet is inside the Almira. If you go inside the room, you will not get the wallet. If you open the Almira and go
Can I
inside
say, sir?
the Almira,
okay,
yes,
okay, okay.
Sir,
There
Going
we
in
have a
inside the
Mukesh, right?
in table design, sir, there is an option of table style.
where? Tell me.
your
Sir,
active
in
cursor
table
should be
design tab,
inside.
One by one, one by one. Sorry, 1 minute.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, tell me.
or you can say it's okay.
No, no, tell me, don't worry, tell me.
Uh, Actually, I'm not getting your question. What you are asking?
The question
Once
is,
again, can you repeat it?
in my data, the table has been made. I want to check whether there is any table made or not.
There is an option
Sir,
called
in
Mukesh over there. There, if we can select it, we can
There is
find
an
it.
option called
Mukesh.
table design, and there is an
where,
in drop down there is a header row, banded row, filter button, and table style too.
where.
In design option, table design option.
Where is table design? How we will get that table design option?
In the tab bar,
Where I don't have any table design. Just see.
sir, I have set 2021 sir Microsoft. That's why maybe it's
Under
I have
view,
also
we have
2021.
normal option. There we can see under view,
View,
normal.
where is normal?
The very first one in the second workbook views. There we have a normal.
No,
normal
there is
page break,
nothing
page
called normal.
layout.
The
No.
one which is already selected over there.
Okay, this is no. You are going
Mukesh,
Yeah,
correct.
in home,
Yes.
in
Sir,
home,
sir, in your sir, in your screen that it was Mukesh. There was in my screen there was a table design.
Yes, how we are going to get that table design?
After selecting all the
in,
data, sir.
Yes, that's I
yeah.
want. This is the particular line
Oh,
only which Saurav was saying. So basically, right now, Saurav was finding the whole wallet outside his Almira. So he was not getting that his wallet. If he is opening his Almira, he will definitely get his wallet. If I go inside the data, I would be getting the table design option.
Yeah, got
Just
it
see,
now.
someone who was showing with the normal view, it is not the same. But if I'm going, my table is still here. If I'm going over here, my table is not there. And let me clear your views also. So everyone click inside your data, go to table design and click on convert to range. Click on convert to range and click on yes. Done everyone? Just tell me done or not.
Yeah, done. So now the option is gone. But why?
Now the option is gone. That means it is a normal table. It is a normal table. No table has been made. Only the data has been feeded in MS Excel. I'll tell you very like interesting things over here with a small table only. Okay. So what we were doing, first we have seen the control and arrow buttons over here. Then we have to check whether the table is there or not. So if I am outside my data, if Saurav is finding the wallet outside his Almira, he will never get it. If he is going inside the Almira or opening his Almira, he will get his wallet. If I'm going inside my data, I would be getting the option called table design. Now I want to remove this table. I want to bring the wallet out. How I am going to do? I will take it out with from my hand. So I'll go to table design inside the Almira, okay, and then only I can do. If I am going over here, I would not be getting the wallet only. So click over here, table design, and click convert to range, and yes. So this is your normal range. Till here, everyone is okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now,
Mukesh,
there
will you
was
please
one,
repeat once?
I'm repeating the last time. So we were getting the data like this. We have seen what is control and shift and all. Okay, so few people must have given option that one by this thing we know that table is made, or by this banded rows, that is one is white, one is blue. But this is not how we are going to know that there is a table or not. Okay, how we are going to know? If I am outside my data, there would be no table design. If I am inside my data and I'm getting this option, there would be a table design. So I will remove this table design from here and I will convert it into a normal range, a very normal range. Are you understanding this right now? Till here, are you understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Everyone, yes or no? Fast. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yeah, Mukesh, Saroj this side.
yes.
Yeah, actually, after clicking that convert, convert to the range, what are the changes going to happen? I didn't get that actually.
I'll go
What?
ahead right now. I'll tell you right now. Okay. Now everyone go to near unit price and type revenue and click on enter. Type revenue and click on enter. Done everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. This I'm going to repeat once. Only one person who can unmute himself or herself and do the thing with me. I will only repeat once. So who is going to help me?
Me, Umesh.
Your name? Umesh.
Umesh,
Okay.
Umesh.
Umesh, have you written revenue over here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to cell number I2. Now our data is normal. My boss is giving me this particular data. What I have to do, I have to calculate the revenue over here. How I can calculate the revenue, Umesh?
Uh, Equal to
Equal to,
H2 plus G2 plus H1, H2, sorry.
oh, no, wrong. Anyone else who can help me out?
Sir, it's Sayed here.
Equals
Can
to
I?
okay.
Your name. Take your name.
I'm Raka.
Raka. Okay, go ahead. Raka, help me out.
So equals to uh,
Yes.
G2 G2 into
Okay.
H2.
Okay. So we are getting the value. Everyone is getting 780. Everyone.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Mukesh.
Okay. Now, Raka, how we are going to get the values in all these cells?
Just select the first cell and
Yes.
there just click twice.
Click twice.
Hmm.
And everyone see we would be getting the value. We are not going to drag the cell like this. It would approximately take us 5 minutes or 7 minutes to drag it. And in between, by mistake, if you click right or left or any data or anything, everything would be gone. So what we will do, we will just do a double click over here and see it's working or not, everyone. Just type working in the chat box. Do a double click and see it's working or not.
Mukesh, whenever I write in the chat box, it is not to everyone. It is shown to the organizers only. I don't know how to correct it.
Yes, yes. I also
Same
don't know.
problem
I'll
happening
check it
with
with
me.
the team.
Okay,
I'll
okay,
check it with
okay,
the teams. Okay.
okay.
So
Another
Saroj is
thing,
there.
sorry.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
You taught us today that control plus and control minus for adding a column
Mhm.
or deleting a column. But while I was doing control plus, it wasn't working.
It would work. You have to select one particular column first.
No, I did. Just a moment. Let me try once. Control
It
plus.
will work.
No, it's not happening.
We'll check it afterwards. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, no
These are
problem.
small
No.
things.
Okay,
Now
okay.
everyone just delete the whole part over here. Just delete the whole part from here. How you will delete? So say for example, my data is right like this right now. Everyone's data must be like this. So we will go to sorry, we'll go to this cell, control shift arrow down and delete. Control shift arrow down and delete. Okay, Raka ready?
Yes, 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 yes.
O- Okay. Again we'll type the same thing equal to G2
Hmm.
into H2.
Hmm.
Just do this and tell me that you guys are ready.
Okay.
On a count
Ready.
of 10. Okay, all
I'm
right.
ready.
For everyone, I'm counting till 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Really?
2, 1. Okay, Raka, go to cell number I2.
Okay. Okay.
Now, the way we were calculating the calculations, we are going to use
Hmm.
something else. Okay, some different trick.
Okay.
I
Okay.
will only repeat once, guys, only once. Now, if you are following up, it's okay. You can take a note. If you are not following up, you can just go back again and see the video. Okay. So, when we are in cell number I2, we have given the formula in our first cell. We know that we can apply relative reference over here. Okay.
Hmm.
And we don't have mouse with us. Our mouse is not working and our mouse pad is also not working. Then how we are going to do? So we will go to left cell. Right now we are in I2. We will go to H2. Done,
Okay.
Raka, with me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then we will click on control arrow down. Are you in
So
cell
from
number
H2,
H? Yes.
H2 or H3.
From H2, control
Okay.
arrow down. It will
Okay.
take it to you H54726.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then we'll click on right arrow key. It will take us to I54726.
I54726. Yes, yes.
Now we will click on Control,
Hmm.
Shift, and up
Hmm.
arrow key.
Hmm.
Is
Yes.
it selecting the whole line till the first data?
Yes, yes, yes.
Now we will click on Control plus D for Delhi.
Control D. Okay.
Control D.
But it's just revenue.
No, then I'll again repeat.
Age group.
I'll again
Hmm?
repeat. Just check. Everyone with me. Delete the whole column like this. Control
Hmm.
minus.
Hmm.
Done, Raka?
No, just a moment. Control up arrow key. Okay, now I'm at the top. Then
So just delete everything and write revenue once again.
okay,
In-
okay,
Write equals 584, that is G2 into H2, and enter.
yes.
Are you there in cell number I2 right now?
No, I3. Now again back to I2. Okay, yes,
Left arrow key,
yes,
control arrow down,
yes,
right arrow key, you are in cell number I54726.
yes.
Control shift up arrow key.
Hmm.
The data
Yes.
is selected till revenue or till 70,080.
70,080.
Now click on control plus D, D for Delhi.
Yes. Done.
Everyone, are you getting the answers? Yes or no in the chat box? Yes or no in the chat box. I will explain you the logic and the reason behind this. Just tell me, are you getting the answer or not? Fani is getting, Rahul not, Mukul yes, Datta not.
Mukesh Saurav here. Actually, even I don't have this chat box access.
You don't have the access only.
No, like cannot
No,
send. It is not allowing to send any message.
no, there would be some option of giving the message because I am getting the messages. Just check once.
Yeah, like even I can see people are sending. In mine, it doesn't allow. That send button is grayed out. Don't know. But yeah, this one I got. No worries.
You got it. Okay. Tadesh, you can go and see the first class. The second class, you will be getting everything. Datta, you're getting now. Okay. All right. So let me explain the reason behind this and what we are doing over here. So you just see everyone. Okay. Everyone just see. So it is the same sheet and the data has been taken up from here only. The few data has been taken from that particular chart, from that particular table data. Okay. So what is happening over here? Understand this, everyone be on mute. So here I'm applying equals H7 into I7 and we are getting 480. Till here everyone is clear? You can unmute yourself and tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we know that how we can calculate the data in all these cells. The first method is that we can take our cursor and we can drag it down. Okay, this is one method. The second method was when we are over here, we can do a double click. Now, what is the problem with a double click? Just see this. In the last cell, Excel do not know that this is my total cell. Okay. Excel is assuming that we have to multiply this cell or this cell and it is giving us 0. So just example, if I'm writing any data, say for example, I'm writing 800. This is my total code or anything. Okay, here it is giving me 0. And just example that if I'm not merging the cell and I don't want to write total, so I have written total over here and I'm doing the total of the order quantity. Okay, total of this order quantity and total of this unit price. it is giving me 97,200 and there is some mistake over here. Some mistake is happening. So this double click we can apply or we cannot apply also. So we have to find a better way to do this. What is a better way? We can use Control plus D. This shortcut is the full form of the shortcut is fill down. What is fill down basically? If I am writing Mukesh, okay, I am clicking in Mukesh, I am clicking shift down and clicking Control D. It will take the name and it will paste the name in all the cells. That is basically copy and paste. If example, say for example, I'm writing 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And here I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 till 6. And here what I am doing equal to this cell into this cell I'm doing. I'm getting the answer. So if I select the data, this cell like shift arrow down, arrow down, arrow down, arrow down and click Control D, it will fill the formula. So when there is a text, it will fill the text. When there is a formula, it will fill the formula. When there is a number, say for example, I'm writing a number called 15. If I'm doing shift down, down, down and Control D, it will fill the number. Till here, everyone is understanding.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, so here also we can apply shift, arrow down, arrow down, arrow down, arrow down, arrow down, and so on. And we can do Control D. It is possible in this data, guys. But if I have a data of something like this, and if I'm doing shift, arrow down, arrow down, arrow down, I can like study for masters, I can do PhD, I can do my marriage, I can like bring child in this world, I can become father, then grandfather, and then also this would not be ending. So we cannot waste so much of time. So what is happening over here? I want to select the data till here, that is one option, or till here. Tell me which options I should be selecting. Option 1 or option 2?
Option
I
1.
have to
Option
select the
one.
data till here or here.
Option 1
Option two.
till 120.
Option 1. Whoever is saying option 2, you can go back again to the
Option
previous class, watch, and then see. Okay. Now, what I have to do, I know that control helps us to navigate to the guys.
Last cells.
contr-
Last active
Last,
cell.
not last active cell, not last cell. It is
active.
last active cell. So if I'm
Yeah.
going to 480 and clicking control arrow down, where it will take me to the last cell 1048576. If I am writing any name in between Alia Bhatt and going to 480, see it is taking me to Alia Bhatt over there. But where I want to come, my destination would be, tell me the cell number, guys. Let's see. Where I want my cell
J7.
to come.
J16.
J7, J16, absolutely right. Who was he? Saurav, I guess.
J16.
Yeah.
J16.
Absolutely right. So we have to select the data till J16. Now, what I have to do, I want to, if I am over here in J16, what I can do, I can use Control, Shift, and up arrow key. Can you say this, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this trick only I'm applying over here. I'm going to this cell that is J7, left arrow key to the corresponding column, control arrow down, last active cell, right arrow key, and boom, I'm in my position right now. From here, Control Shift up arrow key, Control D. Understanding this, guys? Yes or no? I'll again
Yes,
repeat.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes,
I
Mukesh.
have to select the data till here, but I cannot select it with the help of Control because Control will take me to the last active cell, and with Shift it will take my great grandfather's time. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to the left cell, that is left corresponding column, the last active cell of that column. On the right only, no control right, only right. Control Shift up arrow key, Control D, D for Delhi. Just check everyone. Are you getting the whole trick behind this?
Yes.
Everyone, I'll just going
Yes.
to ask.
Yes.
Arun, are you understanding? Okay, Arun not responding. Ashwini, married, unmarried, both one. Understanding?
Yes, Mukesh.
Yes, Mukesh.
Okay. Atanu, Ayush, Datta Mukul,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Vani Rahul,
Yes, sir.
Raka Ravi, Sandhya,
Yes. Yes, Mukesh.
Yes.
Sanjay Saror, Saurav,
Yes. Yeah, Mukesh.
Shipra, Soumya, Sudhir, Sumant,
Yeah, getting it.
Yes, Mukesh.
Sayed, Tanima, Tanima, and Umesh, and Yogita.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
Mukesh,
assuming that nobody, yes,
Saurabh here. Sorry to interrupt.
yes,
Actually, one question. Okay. We yesterday learned about control plus E, right? Now control plus
yes.
D. So, which is better and what's the difference?
So say for example, if I'm using control E over here, okay, see it is not working.
Oh, okay. Acha,
Why
so
it is not working?
it doesn't fill the
Because
formula.
yes, it doesn't
Okay.
feel like it will only take the pattern. See if I'm
Pattern.
writing say for example 2 over here, okay,
Hmm.
if I'm writing 2, if I'm writing over here 130, if I'm writing 150, sorry, 130, 150, 180, 240, 240, something like this. Okay. And if
Hmm.
I'm applying control E, then it will take the pattern.
Okay. And again, this pattern is also wrong, I guess.
No,
Yeah, it
this is
just
right.
took
Just
that. Okay. It just took the middle numbers. Okay.
yes,
Okay.
because I
Okay.
write it 2 over here. If I'm
Ah,
writing number 1, okay, say for example, I'm writing 852, 963, 741, 528. Okay. So the first number, if I'm writing 1 over here, so it will come 89752. Okay, I'll delete this and control E.
okay.
Flash fill
Got
is for taking the patterns.
okay.
Control D is for filling down. If you are writing a text, then there would be a text only. If you are writing the formula, it will copy the formula. It will writing a number, then it will copy the number only.
Okay. Actually, I used to use this Control D all the time. So Control E was something new for me yesterday, and then that's the reason I got little confused. Now it's
No
clear.
worries, no worries. Are you getting everything about Control D, how it's working
Yes,
and
yes.
what are the different ways it is working?
Yeah, that I use all the time, so I know about that.
Okay, so this is the table and utility. Now we'll come back again. So we are calculating revenue. Okay. Now I'll take, who wants to help me? You can raise your hand, guys. No, Saurabh, I cannot take you. Datta, you have came. Raka also came. Someone who is new, Saroj also came. Someone who is new. Guys, I have to pick you up. I have to pick you up. Rahul Singh, you are new. I cannot take. Fani, I'll take. Fani.
Yes, Mukesh.
You can hear Fani?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Am I
So we
audible?
have done this. Yes, yes, you're audible clearly. And everyone follow with me and Fani. So here the revenue is calculated for you.
1 second. Yes.
Revenue is calculated. You can just delete this. Okay, just delete
Okay.
this. And everyone make this particular line empty.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Just give me 1 second. Someone who was having the list of the tables, the features that we were discussing yesterday. Who was he? Please tell me your name. Who was he? Have anybody taken the screenshot that day?
Yes, I have taken it. My name is Sandhya
Yes,
Mukesh.
yes, Sandhya. Give the the names one by one.
First
The
one is first one is organize.
organized,
Second one is arrange the data.
arranged the data. Okay,
Third one is present the data.
present the data.
Fourth one is organize the data into simple manner
Organize the data into simple manner
to understand easily and get the useful information. In the same
to
line, in the fourth
understand
line,
easily and to understand easily and
get the useful information.
get the useful info. Okay,
Sort data and filters.
sort data and filters.
Sort. I'm very sorry. Sort. It was. It's what.
Okay, no worries. What
Yeah.
else?
Feed the data.
Feed the data.
Make the uses of the data effectively.
Make the uses of the data effectively.
Expressing large information.
Expressing large information.
Yeah. Connect the data to SQL.
Connect the data to SQL.
Easy formatting.
Easy formatting.
To filter.
To filter.
Last one is functions and formulae.
Functions and formula. Okay. Thank you so much, Sandhya. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, Fani, let's come back. Fani, ready? Anyone else who wants to help me out? Anyone else? Please raise your hand, please.
It's me, Sayed, sir.
Syed. Okay, Syed, go ahead. So, till here your data is ready. This revenue column is there and
Yeah,
the first cell is blank. Okay. Now
yes,
what we
sir.
will do,
First
we will
cell is
make
blank.
a table in MS Excel. We will again go to class 6 and 7. We'll make a table in MS Excel. How to make a table in MS Excel, Syed?
So first we have to select all the data and
Can we select it with the help of mouse?
no, sir, we can select it from the keyboard.
Control,
Control plus arrow right, arrow left.
control plus shift plus arrow right and arrow down. Okay, it will select the data
And
then.
then we have to copy, sir. Copy it. No,
No, I have to make a table. Someone who knows how to make a table in Excel?
So there is an option, sir, format as a table, sir, in the style box.
No, 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 no,
Home
no.
menu.
No, no, no.
Must be.
Only sort of. What about others? Guys, class 6, 7, how to make table in Excel.
Go to
Okay, sort of. Go
insert
ahead.
and we have a
Yes,
table.
yes. What's your name?
Sandhya, sir.
Sandhya. Okay. So first we will select the whole data. Remember one thing. Okay, this is a big statement. I'm saying this. Whenever we are going to do any good thing like marriage or any baby is born or any good thing is happening in our life, in any type of religion, the first thing is that we are going to pray God. Is it same with all the religions and everything? Guys, is it true?
Yes,
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 sir.
it's
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, true.
Okay. So this is the first thing that we always follow. In Excel also, you want to do any stuff you want to do, make it a habit that you have going to select the data. If you are not selecting the data, I can give you bet 90% of the time your answer would be coming wrong or you will be doing some any other mistake. This is 100% sure. So first we are going to select the data. How we will select the data? We will go to A1, Control Shift arrow right and arrow down. Then we will click on insert. Then Sandhya, tell me.
Sorry, I was talking on mute. Third option, table.
Third option, table. So when we are clicking on table, just see we are getting a dialog box. Now you guys would be understanding what is written in this particular line over here. Sandhya, can you explain us what is written?
Yeah, the first one is A1 is the first row which is actually available, and the yeah, mm, first and the
Okay,
last ones. That's what I'm trying to say. The last cell and the first cell. It is actually referring to.
okay. So you are understanding how data is written now in the computer in the Excel language. Okay, and see the range, the data that has been selected, that is fixed or not, Sandhya?
Yeah, yeah, it's fixed, sir. Yeah.
It fixed. The next option, what it is saying me, my table has header. So is my table is having a header or not?
Yes, we are having a header.
Just imagine I am just unchecking this box and clicking on OK.
It will
Problem
again
we are
insert, yeah, other header.
so it is giving me column 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will have no issues, okay? Now there is no problem, but we will see afterwards what problem we are going to face. So we will click Control Z again. We will make a table. So this selecting the data and going to insert and all, it is taking a lot of time. What we will do, we will go inside our data. Anywhere we will click the data and we will click on Control plus T. T for Toronto, T for table, T for anything, whatever you want to say. So we will click on Control T. You will get this dialog box. If your table has header, please check this box and click on OK. Just do this till here, Sandhya, and just let me know it's working.
Yeah,
Table is made for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mukesh. Got it.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So just see before making the table and after the making the table, is your table organized? Yes or no? Everyone, is your data organized?
Yes.
Yeah, organized.
Just check this. This was before making the table. And after making the table, are you finding any change? Leave this banded rows and all. I'll give you a good design. Okay. Okay, so I'll give you this.
No, okay, Saurabh here. It was already formatted, right? So there's no difference actually.
Uh, yeah. So there is no organization is not done. So one point I have proved it. Can I delete this one, everyone? Yes or no?
Okay. Hmm.
The second point, after making a table, my data is arranged properly. Like it is more refined or not? Or is it same?
No, it is same.
Same, same.
It is same.
One point more deleted. The next point is my data is now in a presentable manner. If I remove all this formatting and all, okay, is my data is in a presentable manner?
No.
Mm, sorry, didn't get your question.
So, say for example, this was a formatting that was done earlierly. Okay. Say for example, I am removing this.
Hmm.
Okay. My data is in a presentable manner. Like, is it more refined or I can present this data to anyone in the same way? Or is it same
No, no,
like
Mukesh.
earlier
No,
only?
Mukesh.
It's the same.
It is same. One more point deleted. The next point, is it organized into a simpler manner?
No,
One more point deleted. Can we understand the data right now after making a table and is it giving us a useful information?
no.
One more point
It's
deleted.
not giving solid.
So we're
This
deleting off.
sort data, yes, okay. So sort data and filter, I'll come to this afterward. After making the table only, I can feed my data or I can feed my data before making a table also.
Before also.
Deleted. Makes the use of the data efficiently. Can I use my data more efficiently now? Now, how? After making the
Mm,
table.
again, it's the same.
My data previously
Sorry.
was a large data, and right now it also is it a large data? Is it same?
Yeah,
It is
same.
same.
If I'm not making a table right now and I want to connect it with a SQL, can I not connect with a normal data?
Yeah, you can.
So
Yes.
this is also like I'll remove this. Some of you don't know about SQL, so it won't. You can connect it.
Hmm.
Easy formatting is done. I can format the data with going with the home and with a format as table, and we can also format the data. So after making a table, only the formatting has been done, or we can do it before also.
Also before
Before also.
we can do it before.
This filter, same option, okay. Now can I apply function or formula, or I can also apply this multiplication before making a table also.
Before
Before
making a
also.
table, actually we are
Before making also.
applying.
Okay. Now this filter and filter option, I'll prove it. So this was the same data, everyone. This data was the same data. So just see, I'm making a filter over here. Okay. Home, sorting and filtering, and just filters I'm adding. Just see, after adding filters also, am I getting table design?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
The color is different, that's it.
No, am I getting table design inside my this particular part after making filters?
No, 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 that is not.
No,
No.
sir.
So that means if I am making tables, then only I am getting this filters, or I can get filters without making tables also.
Without
Without
also.
making
You are
table also.
getting filters without creating table also.
So I should delete these points. Proved it, guys.
Yeah.
Everyone, till here, are you following? Everyone,
Yes, yes,
any
yes.
question? Now you would be
Yes,
shocked
Mukesh.
that now what is the use of table?
Exactly.
Okay, now, so who was with me? It was Sandhya with me, correct?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, go to in revenue column. The table has been made for you.
Yes, sir, it is already made for me.
Okay, just type equals and go to cell number G2. What it is giving it to you? G2 or order quantity?
G2 only, sir.
No, then the table is not made for you.
Order quantity.
Order
Order
quantity.
quantity.
Who is getting order quantity?
Me.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
even in mine.
Okay. Now click multiplication sign and go to cell number H2. Are you getting unit price?
Yeah,
Yes.
getting new
Hmm.
unit price.
Now click on enter and just see what is the magic that you are getting.
No.
What?
Okay.
Oh,
It's filling automatically.
huh.
It's giving us the value automatically. And
Hmm.
this is one feature, okay? The second feature is that whenever you're going to add more datas, okay? Say for example, I'm adding one adult, 37, okay, female, India, clothing, West only. I'm writing 1456 8520. When I click on enter, I do not have to calculate the value. It is going to give me the values automatically. That means tables only make our data dynamic. Tables only make our data dynamic. No other things else tables can do, but tables can make our data dynamic. One more reason I'll just show you, and you will be shocked to see this. Just see this. This is my data. After showing this example, you will every time make tables in your data set. I'm 100% sure. This is one data and this is one data. Okay.
Hmm.
If you guys find it amazing after getting the trick, just type boom in the chat box. BOOM. Not now. I'm making a table over here and clicking OK. I'm selecting the data and I'm inserting one chart over here. Okay. I'll insert one column chart. I'll insert one column chart over here. Okay. Both the charts are same. Just see. Or is there any difference? Just see focus and see is there any difference or not.
No, both are same.
No. Both are same.
Both are
No
same.
difference.
Everyone agrees both are same.
Yes.
Yes, both the same.
Okay. Now see the magic. You are sitting in front of Honorable Prime Minister and you are India's biggest data scientist. You have crunches a lot of data and all. Okay. Now your maybe someone from ministry is asking you that insert a projected sales amount for 2023. Say for example 45,000 you want to predict. You are predicting that the sales data should be 70,000, say for example. Okay, you are sitting in front of Narendra Modi, and I am a small person who has just learned Excel from Mukesh Poddar. Okay, what I will do, I will go put the data in 2023 and 70,000. Getting this change, guys.
Yeah, getting
Yes.
this
Yes.
change.
It's changing.
What a simple table can do for us. If I want to explain this chart, I want to show 23, I have to go to my data, go to chart design, go to select data, go to edit data over here, click over here, I'll select this, okay, okay, then also I'm not getting, or else I'll delete this. I will select again, insert, recommended charts, this, and then I would be getting this. And say, for example, if you have done any type of formatting, then everything is gone in your case. But if you are making a table in your data 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, doesn't matter. Your data would be updated automatically. This is the feature of table in MS Excel. Understanding. If you guys are understanding, you can type boom in the chat box. Let's see how many crackers we are getting. Sayed, we are getting Raka, Rahul, okay. Umesh, Fani, we are getting Mukul, boom. But please repeat how to make table. Please, Datta, go and watch the video. I cannot repeat more. I cannot repeat more. Ayush. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. So we have completed this file. We will not waste more time on this particular file. Okay. I will share one new file with Sanchita ma'am tomorrow. Download that, keep it ready. We will in within 5 minutes. I'll give you guarantee within 5 minutes we will complete the whole introduction and everything. Whatever we have done in this 3 4 days, okay, 3 days, I'll complete within 5 days. If you are having any question and if it is a valid question, then only come and ask. If it is not a valid question, and if you are asking me how to make a table, if you are asking me what is relative reference, okay, if you are asking me that what is the difference between relative reference and absolute reference, I will literally throw you out of the class. This is my guarantee. Only ask me a valid question. If you are downloading any file from internet and if you could not solve it or you are facing any issue, then bring the problem at the end, not in the starting. I hope so. I'm clear with this, everyone. Yes or
Yeah,
no, guys?
Mukesh.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, we all are adult over here, so we know how to respect the time because already we have wasted a lot of time in basics and we will carry the same speed. What speed that we are taking today, we will carry the same speed now. And from now onwards, the speed is going to increase. It is not going to decrease. So if anyone who has left the session or anyone like who is facing the difficulty to cope up, please watch all the 3 videos. I can give you guarantee it will bring up your speed. That's all from my end, everyone. Thank you so much. We are going to meet tomorrow sharp at 8. Thank you so much, everyone.
Mukesh, would you please like to help me about that control plus that one I couldn't do, I told you.
Yes, yes, yes. So, uh, so guys, people who wants to leave, you can leave. Who wants to stay and see the examples and all, you can stay right now. So you were saying that when you are clicking Control plus over here, you are not
Hmm.
getting the extra column.
No, yeah, yeah, I'm not getting.
Just click on this between D and E. Just click on E, the letter E over there,
Oh,
and
okay,
then
just
click
a
on
minute.
Control plus.
Letter D E, okay, and control plus. No, it's not happening. No,
Not working. Are you using a desktop?
2019. No, no, it's laptop.
It's laptop. Uh, you're using which particular plus symbol? The left hand side of the backspace?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then you have to use Control plus. See the numbers
Hmm.
that are above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can only
Hmm.
activate those numbers with Shift. So Control plus Shift plus the plus button.
Okay, let me try once. Control plus shift plus. Yes, now it is. It's done. Control plus shift plus plus. Okay, so what's the problem? I mean, why it wasn't happening initially?
See, because what you were doing earlier, you were using control plus equal to earlier. See, the
Okay.
plus button is above that, above
Yes.
equal to.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to activate those exclamation, at the rate, hash and all, you have to use shift button. In the same way, to activate that plus button also, you have to use the shift button.
Okay, okay, I understand. Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much,
Anyone
Mukesh.
else who is having any question? Welcome, welcome.
Mukesh Saroj this side.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, you didn't actually answer that time. When we click on that table design option and convert it to range, what changes made actually that time? I didn't get that actually.
So let's see this. Now there is a table.
Yeah,
I click on table design, convert to range, and yes. What changes is done. Now if you apply equal to this cell into this cell, the first thing is that you are not getting this column heading over here, the order quantity and unit price. When you click on enter, it will only give you the answer in this cell, not in all the cells.
okay,
What table does, table makes a group of this data. Okay,
okay,
getting this.
yeah.
All right. Anyone else having any other question? Okay,
Mukesh,
Rahul, you
one.
are new to this. Just 1 second.
Huh?
Rahul, you are new to this.
No, sir.
Okay, have you joined the class today only?
No, sir. From first day, sir. Actually, yesterday I
Um,
lost my phone. Actually, stolen from my hand. That's why I'm unable to join class on time. In between, I
okay,
joined.
so please go and watch the previous videos, okay?
Yes, sir. I'm going through that.
Yeah, yes, Saurav.
One request, Mukesh. Actually, see, tomorrow there's a office party, Mintra. So that is
Okay.
from 6 to 9. Okay, evening. So I am not sure how I'll be able to attend tomorrow's session.
Then I guess you have to see the recorded videos.
Okay, so that comes in the next day morning, na?
Yeah, that comes in the next morning.
ठीक है, I'll go through that. No worries.
Because see, because of one person, we cannot cancel the whole session.
No. I'm not requesting to cancel
Okay.
that.
No, no, no,
I
no.
was just
I'm just saying.
अच्छा, ठीक
Okay.
है.
Anyone else having any other issues? I hope so. Everyone is liking the classes in MS Excel.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
very
Mukesh,
much.
Yes, sir.
very much.
Okay, okay. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's meet tomorrow sharp at 8. Thank you so much, everyone.
Bye,
Good night.
Mukesh.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye. Take care.
Good night. Good night.
Good night. Good night, guys. Good night.